Welcome to Spring LIB.
Before proceeding to solve the problem, let us write down a few important numbers. The radius of Earth is 6,360 kilometers, which is 6360 multiplied by 10 power 3 meters, which is 6.36 into 10 power 6 meters. And the mass of Earth is 6 times 10 power 24 kilograms. Notice that I have left them in the SI units. That is usually recommended. Now, let's go to our new planet. Our new planet has a mass 5.5 times that of Earth. Hence, its mass would be 5.5 multiplied by ME, which is 5.5 multiplied by 6 into 10 power 24 kilograms, which turns out to be 33 into 10 power 24 kilograms. And the density of this planet is 1.76 gram per centimeter cube. Now we know that 1 gram is 10 power minus 3 kilograms. Hence, let's use that. And we know that 1 centimeter is 10 power minus 2 meters, because 1 meter has 100 centimeters. But this is centimeter cubed, so we cube this whole thing. Hence, we can write this as 1.76 multiplied by 10 power minus 3 by 10 power minus 6 kilogram per meter cubed, which is 1.76 into 10 power 3 kg per meter cubed. Now we know that density is mass by volume. Hence, volume would be mass by density, which is in this case 33 into 10 power 24, the mass in kilograms, divided by 1.76 into 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube. As you can see, if you write down units even when you are doing calculations, you'll easily rectify if you use the proper units. When you use the proper units, you can cancel them, and you can see that our volume will turn out to be in meter cubes, which is good. Now, by plugging this into a calculator, we can see that this is equal to 18.75 into 10 power 21 meter cubed. But we know that this is a spherical planet, and hence its volume would be 4 by 3 pi r cubed. Hence, r cubed is 18.75 multiplied by 3 by 4 pi into 10 power 21 meter cubed. Hence, and this turns out to be 4.48 into 10 power 21. Now, hence r would be 4.48 into 10 power 21 whole power 1 by 3, the cubed root, which turns out to be 1.65 into 10 power 7 meters. This is the radius of the new planet. Now, for part B, we want to find out the radius of this planet in terms of multiples of the radius of planet Earth. So we know that the radius is 1.65 into 10 power 7 meters. We've seen that the radius of Earth is 6.36 into 10 power 6 meters. We simply do the ratio r divided by re. 1.65 into 10 power 7 divided by 6.36 into 10 power 6. If we bring in one of the 10 from the powers into the number, into the multiplicating number, we can see that this is 16.5 into 10 power 6 divided by 6.36 into 10 power 6. By the way, both of these are in meters, and hence they cancel out, and this ratio becomes numberless. Now we can also cancel 10 power 6. Now this gives us an estimate. I wrote it down like this so that you can have an estimate of how large this number is. We know that 6 times 3 is 18. Hence, we expect this number to be somewhere between 2 and 3. If you plug this into a calculator, we can see that this is 2.6. Hence, this planet would be 2.6 times larger than that of Earth. If Earth's radius is RE, the radius of this planet would be 2.6 RE.